Hello, hello, all my crafty friends. It's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back and watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I am making these cute little I would call them flowers, rosettes, out of tissue paper, these little streamers as I would call them. So it's really simple, really easy. These are pretty inexpensive. I got both this one and this one from Hobby Lobby. So you certainly can pick these up at the dollar store. I believe you get two for $1, but I just really liked these colors. So let's get started and I'll show you guys how I make these. They're really simple. I'm going to move these out of the way. And so the first thing you want to do is all you need is a pair of scissors and a stapler. I don't have one of the Tim Holtz stapler. The tiny attacher is probably the best thing to use, but that's okay. So I'm going to go probably about, I would say maybe like 16 inches and cut. Let's see if I can get this cut. There we go. All right. So you can guess, but I'm going to fold it in half and then a couple of ways just to make it easier to cut. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. Now you can make it the size of this. This one right here is actually the full size, and then these are like the smaller size. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it like this way and get rid of that. And so you have this long string. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to fold and press. Fold and press. And kind of keep it in the middle. And really press down on the edges so that way it kind of stays that way. If you were to like let this go, it could actually just be easily fixed, as I just did. So if you press them down, it'll stay. And there's no like right or wrong reason to do this, just, you know, however you would like, however close you would like it to be. That's what makes it handmade. And you want to hold down with this hand, so, and then press with your other fingers. So I'm hoping I'm making sense. And you're just going to continue going around. And I go a little bit past the back. There we go. So then you can certainly go all the way, but I'm just going to cut this and then fold this in. And there we go. And kind of line it up. And then what you're going to do is I'm going to press a little bit harder so that way it stays. You're going to take your staple and just staple in the middle. And there you go. Cute little rosette. These are super fun, super addicting to make. And you can certainly add some little gems, maybe even like another embellishment, another flower. Some more ephemera if you would like from any collection. This one right here has a chipboard piece on it, so just really anything that you want to add to the middle. You can even probably add another, like a paper rosette. That would be really cute. Different ways of doing things. I think you can also probably add some pom-poms if you would like. make it your own. So I have a lot here that I made so far. Been having fun playing with the different sizes, and this one is like itty bitty, teeny tiny. So just fun to kind of get your stash up if you're looking for an extra embellishment. This is something that I think would be great on a layout. I've used this a couple times on layouts, and it's actually nice because unlike the rosettes, the paper rosettes, these are really flat. So they actually lay pretty well on a scrapbook layout and even cards. So I think that these are a great addition to building up your stash. If you try this before, or if you're going to try it, let me know down in the comments below if this was helpful. And as always, hit that subscribe button so you get notified of my videos and the next one that I have uploaded. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!